Hello, everyone. No, it's not Jensen Ackles, it's me. But Jensen Ackles has been requested quite a bit, especially from his role as the character Soldier Boy from The Boys. And I figured, what better than for me to actually go on Google. So this is literally me just searching in his name, Soldier Boy, on Google, and I'm gonna break down the haircut for you guys, right? And I have a variety of different pictures that go over this. So the first thing I want you to notice is right away in the front here, okay? What are you seeing? You're seeing a little bit of length here. This most likely, and I can assure you, probably comes down to about right here. Because if you pull this hair down, in order for this to have this little wave right here and for this to have the flow, all of this, especially this front part in the middle, has to come down to at least right here. Because in order for the hair to go up and around, pull this straight and you're probably going to come to about right here. So you have to make sure that this whole front section right in through here comes down to at least right here. And this works best on straight hair. It doesn't matter if you have fine hair, you know, or a lot of it, or you know, it's a bit on the thinner side, whatever, but straight hair works best for this, okay? Now here is another picture, right? Here's one where his hair, as you can see through here, now it's all coming to the face. So once again, it's dry, but it shrinks up. So it's probably around here, okay? It's probably right around there. Another example of his hair would be this. This is another great example of his hair. Now, one thing you want to make note of, again, aside from this, all right, is the sides into here. The sides are probably to about just over the ear, but because it's brushed back a little bit, it kind of looks like it's cut over the ear, but I would say just covering the top of the ear. And it looks to me like the length is probably about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches long in length throughout here. And then this all works up, you know, maybe 2, 2.5, 3. This is, again, I know everybody's so hung up on the measurements as far as how long the hair goes, but I have no idea. This could probably be 6, 7 inches or so, but it comes down to about right here. All right, this is all cut short, blended in, and then the layering really starts right in this area in through here. And that's how you're able to get that flow, all right? And as you can see, even in this photograph right here of his hair, you can see that the flow, right? He's able to get that hair to go back a little bit right in through here, but that's because this is all very long and through here. It's still layered, but it's all very, or it's long enough for it to kind of rake back in through that area, okay? Let's see, what else do we have here? Yeah, so there's, you know, this is floating around where the hair is a bit more disheveled and it's a lot longer in through here. So this comes down to at least about, you know, right in through here, all right? And it's all layered and a bit more textured, okay? I don't know if you all are interested in that type of haircut, but it seems that, you know, this is the one. And you could even see here in action all this hair in through here, right? It comes down to about here over the ear, but it's all, you know, fairly kind of feathered and layered, right? It's not like super short, okay? It's not really that short. That's one thing you really want to make note of. All right, another example of his hair right in through here, as you can see. It's all feathered, right? And it comes just about, I'd say, right over the ear or just to the top of it, but it's probably brushed back around the ear. So when you're, you know, curious about this type of look, and you're saying, what do you ask your barber? What do you ask your stylist? I mean, for this type of scenario, this type of haircut, the best thing to do is probably to show a picture of this, all right? It's best to show a photograph of his hair to say, hey, look, this is kind of what I'm looking for. You know, like, I want to have the hair longer in the front. I want to be able to kind of sweep it back in through here. Just make sure you show them this. But if they take out the clippers and they start just buzzing all of your hair to the sides, you're finished. Okay, that's why I'd suggest maybe going to a hairstylist for something like this, and don't go to like a barber who's gonna have your hair done in like, 10 minutes or so. All right, it's very important that you go to somebody who knows, all right, who knows what they're doing. Okay, very, very, very important. So I'm just looking around through some images here, and yeah, a lot of them that are coming up are, kind of the same. As you can see through here, very disheveled type of look. This is just the sides are a lot longer, a lot more out of control. All right. Let's see here. Let us see if there's anything. Here's, older. I think I even did a hair tutorial of this hair, but if anyone is, most of the requests were for, the most recent season of his character in the most recent season. That's what everyone seems to be asking about. But, the guy clearly has really nice hair. So here we are. I mean, once again, there's the haircut, there's the hairstyle. As far as like products go, I would think that my tidal wave would probably work well, or my matte pomade, would probably work really, really well. Because this is it's something that you want to have slick back a bit more, right? You want to have slick back a bit more. In order to get this to come down, you want to have it more of like a lived-in type of look. You know what I mean? Like more of a lived-in type of look, like that. So it's really, the key is to make sure about the layering. This all comes down to about right here, and it's cut towards about 2.5, 3 inches. This is all, again, down to about right here. So I don't want to sound too redundant, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. I've been getting a lot of requests. No, this is not him talking. It's me talking. I just figured I'd make this quicker and easier. But let me know if you found this video helpful. If you like these types of videos, right? If you like them, I'll do more of them, where I'm just breaking down haircuts for you all. And just so you know, yes, it's me. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.